Okay, so yes, you can't thread in PDFs. You can do plain text files. You can use Word documents, but not the latest XLS or whatever it is, or docx. It has to be type DOC file, but you can save that from any Microsoft product, from any Word version, I should say. Okay.
And it's editable.
Yes, and it can carry through its styles as well. Alright, so I'll undo that. And the first person up, let's go all the way back. There we go. Plain page. So, pick a winner.
Justin.
Justin, come and show us the technique, please. I do believe he's going to be showing your technique.
He's showing my technique.
Yes, and I didn't even tell him what it was.
I've only got 2 techniques.
Wow. Same.
No, if I make it different.
No, it's this one. Come on.
Which of the techniques of mine is he showing?
The spell checker.
I'll get some.
Which is exactly that, which you've got turned on.
Yep.
Edit spelling and autocorrect, so that you don't have to go back and change your words later.
Yeah, the only trouble with autocorrect is that it corrects to American spelling, so if that's what you want, that's fine.
But you can go through and change your dictionary, and you can import a word list into it.
So could you give us an example of how the spell checker works?
Yeah.
There's no specialist. But then around the dictionaries is fine. You need to make it a bit bigger. See?
But it's not autocorrecting anyway, is it? So why is it not autocorrecting then?
It likes the spelling.
It does.
It's American spelling.
Yeah.
So how does it signify that there's a spelling error? Let's just go with the basics.
Underlining in red.
And then how do you correct that?
Yeah, well, yeah, I mean, you right-click on any word, don't you? And
Yep.
it will...
So let's show how that works.
How do you right-click on a Mac?
You don't need, and you don't need to highlight it. You just.
How do you right-click?
So just hold down the, is it the control button? Yeah.
Control.
Yeah. There we go.
There you go.
Right, now how does the spell corrector hide incorrect spelling? Okay, so have you said that? Okay, that's correct, Jeremy. Alright, so that here, if we just go back a step, so there's a spelling mistake, but you only see the spelling mistake if you're in preview mode, not so that means you get to see the back and the text boxes. If you're just in the standard what you get mode, what do they actually call that? That's an interesting question.
Real view.
Real view. Okay, we'll use that. Here we go. It's called preview. Okay, that's called preview. If we click W again, we are in normal view. So you must be in normal view for the spell check.
Will InDesign autocorrect words like Word does if it knows kind of instinctively what the word you're going for
You're
is?
writing it
Like
like
you
you
don't.
don't.
Instead of a hand.
Okay,
Yeah,
so it's kind
yeah.
of got to be added to the memory of InDesign.
Yeah, so te instead of the.
Yeah. Right.
Yep. Okay, thank you,
Okay.
Justin. Oh, Justin. To pave misery forward, we have Andrew. Andrew, come and show us an InDesign technique, please. Oh, bit of paper.
Story.
Story editor is how you bring chapters together to make a book. No, story editor is a plain text editor. That's like what PageMaker would be like. So you get to edit the text without its own little breakout box. If you don't use it, you don't need to know about it. It's a legacy model.
I might want to use it. And I know if I'm going to want to use it if you don't show me.
I'll show you later. So Andrew, what are you doing?
Paragraph styles.
Okay, cool.
A lot of people don't use paragraph styles when they're
But when
editing.
they not use paragraph styles, it's impossible to move in InDesign and not use paragraph styles.
But apparently some people do.
Heaps
So
of people do it.
give us the knowledge.
Alright, so to make a paragraph style,
Why are you setting your text block so big, so wide?
You might want
I was going to put more text in.
Okay, alright. So people's thumbs over the words isn't an issue.
Sorry, what was that?
It's alright.
It's
I was
a PDE,
was
it's
making
not
all
a
these
book.
vowel and consonant noises before it wasn't important.
Alright, there we
Might
go.
be printing his A4 onto an A3 piece of paper though. In composition, well.
Alright, so to make a paragraph style, you go to paragraph styles. New paragraph style, we'll make this a body copy. Then select that. We'll make that maybe a little bit bigger. And in capitals. And then you make a new paragraph style and you call that one title. You see that. To do that, if you wanted to change things in there, you can also create character styles. So if there's certain things in there, can't even see if there's anything down there. Right, so there we go. So there was something in there that you wanted to make a little hyphen, you go like that, and then you go new character style, and you call it, I don't know, date. Oh, thanks, Chrissy. And you can go in there and change them wherever you want. Throughout your document. A lot of people don't do it, like I didn't use it for years, and I just changed everything and it got too much.
What I hate is the fact that once you've done it, you've got to do it every new document. You can't just have a library of them.
Yeah.
You can import them from a previous document.
But if you want,
If you have a standard way that you like to do things, you can.
I've made one template.
So do you want to tell us some of the details of the paragraph style? Because there's quite a few things in there.
Sorry? In here?
No, the paragraph style that you've created
Yeah.
shows some of the options that students can choose.
Right, so you can, like, in terms of like talking about titles and...
No, I'll show you. So with a paragraph style, you have the ability to give it a name, the ability to set the typeface. With advanced, you can change the way that the spanning happens and the character style, so that if you're not wanting to use justification, this is a way that you can control the alignment. Here is how you can set the dictionary so that when the autocorrect happens,
It doesn't work.
Well, you might be telling other people's fonts.
Oh, I might be, but this is the full detail
Mine comes up with a thing that it doesn't have a specialist library.
of specialist library.
It calls it a specialist library when I tried to make it better spelling English.
Okay.
Is it like
And as Andrew did manually, you can also choose to turn hyphenation off and on.
Okay, is there a preset you can do that in so that it's always off and only
No.
turns on?
Well, you can rewrite the preferences.
You can say paragraph starts.
And someone gets up and does
Where do you say them?
When is it acceptable to use
Yeah.
That's a personal choice. There are people that are for it and there are people that are against it.
Not a template.
Because I turned it off all the time.
Yeah, same. I don't like it myself.
What?
Hyphenation.
You can save it as that it's off. You just have to save it as a paragraph start.
Right. But there is a way, there's a deeper level where you can rewrite the preference files inside the library folder.
Yeah, but not saving it.
Yes, but we can that's why we're here. Okay, Andrew, thank you.
Chitnut.
Chetna! Time to
Sorry.
show you your technique, please.
I'm going to show how to have different size pages in a document without having to make different documents.
Ooh.
Okay, so is this an A4?
Yes.
Okay, so if you wanted like one A4 and where are your pages? And so you just have to make like a new page and just go to the page tool. This is the third icon. Just click on the page and you can just change it up here to like whatever size you want. You can even change it to custom sizes. Let's do that. Yeah.
Cool.
That's
Yep.
Simple and easy. Well done.
Thank you.
One of the common ones that you might want to choose is maybe going A4 outside cover with A3 pages and then change its proportion like that. And why would you want to do that? Exactly, gatefolds. Now the problem is that because it's exactly A3, it means that when you fold it up you have a little issue with there's a bit too much paper, so that then you can change the width and just trim off a couple of millimeters. There we go, 3 millimeters off. Now it will fold in quite nicely. Well done. Pick a name, any name.
Eric.
Eric, your turn.
I like that.
It's nice that, isn't it?